10th standard biology, reproductive health. Reproductive health. According to World Health Organization, the reproductive health means a total being all the aspects. A total being they are having all the aspect of reproduction. So all the aspects of reproduction. All the stages of the reproduction. All the stages of the reproduction. Ability to reproduce. Ability to reproduce and regulate the fertility. So what is the meaning of fertility? So the fertility means the giving birth to young one. The ability of the living organism they produce the young one. So this condition is called a fertility factor. Fertility factor. Woman's ability undergo the pregnancy. So what are the woman's ability? So they have in a first one, they have in a pregnancy. So they have in a the pregnancy and safe childbirth. Safe child birth. And they have a maternal or infant. Maternal and they have an infant health. Infant health. And also they become a well-being. So what is woman health means? So they have a better pregnancy. Not only for the better pregnancy and also they have a safe childbirth. So they produce in a live conditions. They produce a young one, they become the live condition. And maternal means they have a mother. And infant means the health, young one. So they become the healthy nature. So they become the healthy nature. They become the well-being. So become the well-being. This is called a woman health. Several measures were undertaken. Several measures will be undertaken by the government. So improve the reproductive health of the people. So they improve the reproductive health of the people. What is called National Health Program. National Health Programs. First one is called Family Welfare Program. First one is called the Family Welfare Program. The next one is called the Reproductive and Child Health Care. Second one is called the Reproductive and Child Health Care. Reproductive Child Health Care, it means RCH. So these are the main program. Is conducted by the National Health Program. It is called the Family Welfare Program. Second one is called the Reproductive and Child Health Care Program. So what is the Family Welfare Program? Family Welfare Program. So the Family Welfare Program is a National Family Welfare Program. National Family Welfare Program, a comprehensive scheme which include, first one is called the maternal and child health care. So the main aim of the Family Welfare Program is, so there are the maternal and child health care is the first important program. The next one is called immunization. So the immunization means they give the vaccination program. So they develop the immunity power in the young one to pregnant women and children. So they have a pregnant women and they have a children. So the immunization program for the pregnant women as well as the children. Then national supplement to pregnant women and children. National supplement. National supplement for women and children. The supplement for the nutritive food. So the food for the pregnant lady as well as the, so they have a young children. So they have a nutritional food. They have a nutritional food. Fourth one is called contraception with the health education. Health education. Fourth one is called a healthy education. Contraception. So they prevent the childbirth. So motivate the couple to accept the contraceptive method. So the contraceptive method by the health education to the young couple. So they accepted the contraceptive method and have the, what is the importance of, what is the significance of small family now? So what is the advantages of the small family now? And also they explain the, what is the disadvantages of the larger family. So they have educated the young couple and they improve the economic status. They improve the economic status, a living status, and also they have a quality of the life. A smaller family, so the smaller family means their family is contain 1 or 2 children. It's called a smaller family. So they improve the smaller family to improve the economic value as well as the living status become increased. So the quality of the life. So they occur in a small family. So to educate the young couple, young couple is a main program of family welfare program. The next one is called reproductive and child health care. So reproductive child health care. RCH. This program to help the integrate all the service. Integrate all the service included one. So they have a pregnancy and childbirth. And they have so the pregnancy and childbirth. So they play an important role. So during the pregnancy and they are having a childbirth. Then postnatal care. After the childbirth, to how to protect the young one? How to protect the young one? The care of the mother as well as the child. Mother and so they are having a child. Then next, the importance of breastfeeding. So importance of mother's milk. So the importance of the breastfeeding to the young one. They become to explain. So they prevent of the reproductive tracts infection. So they have in a fourth one, they prevent the reproductive tract. Infection. So they prevent the reproductive tract infection and the sexually transmitted disease. They explain the sexual transmitted disease called STD. STD. They have a sexually transmitted disease. The reproductive and the child health care names RCH. So they have a well health care about the pregnancy and they have a childbirth. The postnatal care, mother and the child. So the importance of the breastfeeding, feeding. So the mother's importance of the mother's milk. And they have a reproductive tract infection and the sexually transmitted disease. They become prevented. So thank you very much, students.